Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable ANC mode and talk-through mode on your headphones JBL Live 660 NS. Turn on ANC mode. You should press one time on this button and it automatically enabled. Now if you pressed one time again, you turn off ANC mode. And if you press two times, you enable talk-through mode. You can see it in application, but it works. Also, you can use application to enable these modes. So just click on talk-through mode to turn on talk-through mode and to ANC to turn on ANC mode. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!